Everyone, today we will discuss about the keyword of chapter 3 student. So first keyword that we will discuss is synthetic fibers. What are the synthetic fibers, friends? Synthetic fibers are the smallest units that are prepared by the petrochemicals to prepare the synthetic clothes. So what are the synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are the smallest unit of the petrochemicals from which the synthetic clothes or the man-made clothes are prepared, and these fibers are prepared in the industry, student, and they are known as artificial fiber. And there are many artificial fibers like terylene, polythene, and another fiber like rayon, acrylic. So these are the synthetic fibers. Now we come on the next is acrylic, student. Acrylic is the synthetic fibers that looks like wool, student, and the clothes that are prepared by this fiber, they look like woolen clothes. That's why this fiber, acrylic fiber, is used to make shawl, sweaters, blanket, carpet. So these materials are prepared by this fiber, that is acrylic, means the fiber that looks like wool. That's why it is also, this acrylic is also known as artificial wool. Now we come on the artificial silk, student. This fiber, artificial silk fiber, are prepared by the wood pulp, and it is also known as rayon. And why do we call it artificial silk? Because this synthetic clothes look like silk, student, and it is known as rayon. Rayon is known as artificial silk. Now we come on the next. It is terylene. Terylene is artificial fiber or the synthetic fiber, and in this there is one chain or the unit is found, and this fiber is used to make the synthetic clothes, and generally it is mixed up with cotton. If it is mixed up, means this synthetic fiber terylene is mixed up with cotton, then that particular fiber is known as terrycoat. And in general, in our daily life, most of the clothes that we wear are made up of terrycoat, means they have the two type of fiber. One is synthetic, that is terylene, and another is natural, that is cotton. Next is, student, nylon. Nylon is the strongest synthetic fiber that is used to make ropes or belts, or it is also used to make the bags. So nylon is the strongest synthetic fiber that is used to make the ropes. Generally the ropes that are used in mountain climbing and used in parachutes, those all ropes are made up of nylon, student. Now we come on the next important keyword, that is plastic. Plastic is man-made material or the synthetic material that is prepared by the petrochemicals. There are the different plastic, student, that we use in our daily life. Some are thermoplastic and some are thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic are the plastic that are molded or that are bent by the heat, and those plastic are known as thermoplastic. And the plastic that are not molded or that are not bent with heat, are known as thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic examples are PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and polythene. And thermosetting plastic examples are bakelite, melamine, and Teflon. So these are thermosetting plastic. Now we come on the next. That is polyester, student. Polyester is also the synthetic fiber that is used to make the synthetic clothes, and it is the chain of ester. Means it is the chain of the ester. Means ester is arranged with linear arrangement in this fiber, that is polyester, student. And it is also means this polyester cloth is also known as synthetic cloth. And generally this fiber is also mixed up with cotton, student, and when it is mixed up with cotton, then it is known as polycoat, student. Now we come on the rayon fiber, student. Rayon, it is the synthetic fiber that looks like silk, student, and it is prepared by the wood pulp. Means the soft part of the wood it is prepared, and it looks like silk, student. That's why rayon is also known as artificial silk. Now we come on the next, that is polymer. Means all the synthetic fibers are the polymer, student. Means poly means long, mer means unit. Means they are the long chain of the particular chemical substances. Means synthetic fibers can be considered as polymer because they are the chain of different petrochemicals. Now we come on the next. It is polythene. Poly means chain. Ethene is a particular alkene, student. So it is the chain of ethene, and it is prepared to make the polythene bag, student. And in nowadays it is more famous, polythene, and it also causes air, water, and soil pollution. That's why we should use it in reduced way, student. Means in minimized way we should use the polythene in our daily life because it causes pollution. And why does it cause the pollution? Because it is non-biodegradable in nature, and it is not decomposed by the microorganisms. That's why we should use it in minimum way. So it is about the keywords of the chapter 3. Now you will write all these keywords in your notebook, and you will also try to learn them. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.